God-given land of ours, Australia, this proud possession, our own piece of earth, that was built by our fathers who pioneered our heritage. Here in Australia, the land of our birth. God bless Australia, God bless Australia, all of the Anzac, the strong and the free. It's a homeland, our own land, to cherish for eternity. God bless Australia, the land of the free.
This is an emergency warning. The current threat level is emergency, which means an emergency is taking place, and that immediate action is required. It is with a heavy heart that we inform the population that Australia has surrendered to her enemy. While they may occupy our borders, streets and homes, they will never occupy our fighting spirit. All Australians, both young and old, must act before the moment passes by. Be advised that the Prime Minister has already taken action. Let our united resolve echo throughout history. Even in defeat, we refuse to yield. Even in defeat, we claim victory. Honor liberty by taking the hardest liberty of all. There is nothing to fear. Use any method available to you. It is a privilege to be called to action. You take Australia with you. Everyone will be remembered. The time has come. Access to a loaded firearm is ideal. Place the muzzle or barrel of the gun to the roof of your mouth. Slice your wrists vertically with a sharp object. You join your neighbors, your family and your God. Act now. It is time to say goodbye to your country with pride. As a citizen, you will act now. Police and military forces have been ordered to enforce compliance. Delay is illegal. This message will repeat until there is none left to read it. Stand by for the last playing of our national anthem.